Hello world, welcome back to my channel. I am Sahil and we are developing a full secure authentication and posts management system using Node.js, MongoDB Express.js and EJS templating engine. And in previous video you have already seen how I worked on edit and update a post functionality. Now today in this video I'm going to show you how to work on delete a post functionality. Okay, so let's start. So this is my project inside VS Code and here I already started npm run dev command. Let me close this terminal. Now first I will open this my-post.ejs file. Now here you can see this is the delete button. Okay, so instead of this anchor tag I will use a form tag to submit the delete request. Okay, so here let me copy the value of href attribute and delete this anchor tag. Here I will use form tag and in action I will paste and I will keep method is equal to post and I will use a bootstrap class here, that is display inline, and inside this I will use a button with class btn, btn sm, btn danger, and type will be submit and value will be delete. If I save this and go to the browser and reload, then you can see the delete button is exactly same. Okay, now whenever we click on this delete button, then we will send a post request to this routes delete -post along with this post id. Okay, so we have to handle this post request inside this file post routes.js file. Okay, so here let's write a comment handle delete post request, and here I'll write router.post and then the name of the route is delete -post and then the parameter which is id, and we will also use protected route middleware, and then I will also use async and then request response. Now here first I will use a try and catch block. Now in catch I will use the same code. Let me copy and paste here. Instead of create post I will redirect it to my-posts. Okay, and rest will be same. Now in try block what I will do is I will first get the post id from the parameter. So here I will create a constant post id is equal to request.params.id, and then I will get the post from the database. So using post model we are finding by id, so here I am passing post id. Now here I will check a condition. If post is not found in the database, then we will send a flash message to this page, my post page. Okay, that post not found. Now if post is found, then first what I will do is let me show you. So if I go to database and there are two users currently registered. Okay, and currently I logged in with this user. Okay, and here in posts array you can see there are two posts id available because this user written two posts. Here you can see, and the post id are available inside this post array. So first I will remove the post id from this array for that user, and then we will delete the post. Okay, and we will also delete the image which is uploaded into this uploads directory. Okay, so first what I will do is I will use await, and then I will use user and user model. Then I will use a method update one, and I will first get the current logged in user id from the session using request.session.user.__ id. So I will remove the post id from this currently logged in user, and I will use pull operator. Now pull operator will remove the item from the array. Okay, and I will remove it from the posts field, because here if you go to the database, then you can see this is the post field and all the post ids are realized inside this post field. So here you can see I am using this pull operator, and then I'm passing post and then the post id. So this will remove the post id from here. Okay, and then finally we will delete the post from this post document. Okay, from this document. So let me just write another line await, and then here I will write post dot delete one, and here we can just pass the post id. So underscore id is equal to post id. Now next we will also remove the uploaded file for this post from the uploads directory. So I will use unlink function, then I will use path dot join, then I will get the current working directory using this method, process dot cwd method, and then I will use uploads directory, then I will concatenate with the image file name. This return an error. So here if in case of error, we will display the error in the console, otherwise this will delete the file from this uploads directory. Now next we will send a flash message to the my post page. Okay, now all done. Let me save this and go to the browser. To test the delete functionality, first I will create a new post. So if I go to profile, then you can see I currently logged in with this user. Okay, now let me go to my post and create a dummy post. So I'm using fake filler Chrome extension, and here I am selected a file. Now if I click on create post, then you can see post created successfully, and this is the post. Okay, and if I go to database, then if I refresh, then this is the new post that I just created. And if I go to users, then this user has now 3 post IDs. Okay, so if I click on delete, then first we will remove the post ID from this array. Okay, so let's test. So if I click on delete, then you can see post deleted successfully, flash message is showing. Now if I go to database and let me refresh. Okay, so for this user now there is 2 post ID left. One post ID is removed from this array, post array. Okay, and now if I go to uploads directory, then still here you can see there are only 3 images are available. Okay, so file is also removing. So this is all about delete a post from the database and removing uploaded image from the uploads directory. Okay, so that's it for this video. In next video I will show you how to work on view a post in detail. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then hit on like button and please subscribe my